Thank you very much, Mr. Salim, for taking the time to speak to us. Tell us a bit about your business, especially with focus on its contribution to the Kenyan economy.
We started our milling business in 1989, and we started as a maize mill company on Homa Bay Road, and improved and grew to a wheat milling company in 1994. So we are about 25 years old now. When we started, our capacity was about 150 tons of maize meal a day, and wheat was about 120 tons of wheat a day. Currently, we are about 410 tons of maize a day and 700 tons of wheat a day. Yeah, we believe we are helping the economy. We are feeding the country with good products, affordable products. And these are two of the, perhaps besides the rice, most consumed products in the country. Maize, as you know, is the staple food for Kenyans. And wheat, now with the growing of middle class people now, you see people moving into wheat products. A lot of bread is being consumed. So we find that wheat market is growing faster than the maize market.
You've been in business for about 15 years now, or maybe slightly over 15 years. What are some of the challenges you've faced, and how have you overcome these challenges?
When we started, it was very difficult to get licenses to do milling. It was controlled by the government. You cannot get a license to mill. So we went ahead and bought an ongoing business at that time. But now things are better. Anybody can open a mill at any time, anywhere in the country. It's only if you have the capability to do that business, you can go in. In the past, it's a controlled business which became very difficult to deal. In 1992, liberalization came in, and more mills came into the country, and a lot of competition, which is also healthy, where you become more effective, and also you try and improve on your quality. When we are controlled, then you sell whatever you have. You don't have the incentive to do good things.
You mentioned you've expanded into the wider East Africa region and also in Central Africa. What other future plans do you have for your business?
We are now trying to put a big feed mill here in Nairobi. We are seeing that the feed industry is also growing. As I said, now with the increased population and also the middle class growing, we are seeing there's big demand for poultry and dairy products. So we are moving into that in a big way, so that we can enter and tap that market of animal husbandry.
As a manufacturer, what are some of your thoughts of manufacturing in the country, especially in light of some of the challenges that you are facing?
The real challenges of manufacturing today is one, security, where we send our trucks outside and some thefts occur, some breaking-ins into our vehicles, stolen property from the shops of our customers, and sometimes even breaking in our factories. So security is a major concern to most industrialists. And the other big concern is the power bills. We are being told that the power bills are coming down, but not to our expectation, not to comparison with, let's say, countries like Mozambique, South Africa, Zambia, who are cheaper than Kenya. So it becomes a bit expensive to do manufacturing in this country than doing in some other sub-Saharan African countries.